Yes naman, nakaka-stress yan kapag nag-send ka ng pera tapos hindi na-receive ng recipient. For example, nag-send ka from digital bank or e-wallet tapos hindi na-receive. Ano ba ang dapat mong gawin? Wait, bago ka mag-submit ng ticket or mag-file ng report, check mo muna kung tama ba yung account number na pinagsendan mo and tingnan mo kung ano yung mode of transfer na ginamit mo. Is it InstaPay or PesoNet? Magkaiba yun ha. And then, i-check mo na din baka may system maintenance. So, kung sa tingin mo is okay naman and then meron ng 2 or 3 days na lumipas at wala pa rin, that is a time para mag-submit ka na ng report for that transaction. Problema ni Miss Ai, meron daw siyang sinend from GCash to RCBC noong February 12 amounting 6,000 pesos. And then, akala niya okay na. Then she made another transaction amounting 3,000 papunta ulit sa kanyang RCBC account. And then, nung nag-check na siya sa kanyang ATM card, wala daw nag-reflect. Much better po sana, Miss Ai, you have your RCBC Pulse so that you can check it online at madali nyo po siyang matrack under transaction. As of today po, wala pa daw po sa kanyang account. Ang advice ko is try to submit a report or a ticket doon po sa GCash para at least ma-check niya po yung status ng kanyang pera. Ang kanyang request is pa-tutorial naman po. To submit a ticket or file report kay GCash, first, open your GCash and then pindutin mo yung transaction and select kung anong transaction na meron ka pang issue. For example, itong send money noong February 6, 2026 and then pindutin mo yung get help. And for example, ang problem mo is recipient hasn't received the money, pindutin mo lang yon. And then, scroll up lang. Syempre, basahin mo siyang mabuti. Sabi niya dito sa dulo, click here to contact support. Then, they will reach you within 24 hours. And syempre, kailangan mo fill upan yung mga necessary data. And once na ma-fill upan mo yun, submit ka lang. And then, within 24 hours, customer support will contact you. I really hope nakatulong itong video na to. And follow for more.